How to ask friend to verify on WeChat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about whether it is possible to ask a friend to verify on WeChat or not. So now let's get started. So to begin the process, the very first thing you need to do is open up the WeChat application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. This is done by entering your credentials such as your username and password in the designated fields, and after you have completed the login process, you will find yourself on the main interface of the app. Now take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen and you will see an option labeled as Me. Go ahead and click on that option, and this action will direct you to your personal profile page. From this location, you will want to navigate to the Settings menu. Upon clicking, you will be taken to a new page that displays various settings related to your account. Once you're on the settings page, your next step is to locate the option that is titled Friends Permissions. Click on it to access its settings, and when you do this, you will be presented with a toggle switch. If this switch is currently turned off, you need to toggle it on. Enabling this option is important because when the switch is activated, it ensures that anyone who wants to add you as a friend must send you a friend request first. And this means that they cannot just add you directly or message you at any time without your approval. By having the settings turned on, you maintain control over who can connect with you on the platform, enhancing your privacy and security while using the WeChat. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.